Hey everyone, it's Stuart here. And in today's video, we are going to show you how to use the Google Ads Keyword Planner. This is a great tool if you are looking to see how much search volume there is for keywords that are relevant to the product or service which your business or organization offers. Now, just before we get going with today's tutorial video, consider subscribing if you are new to the channel. And don't forget to tap that bell icon to receive all the tutorials and tips from this channel. And with that out the way, let's get into it. So here we are in a Google Ads example account. In this example, I am using an ad account for my uncle's rafting business in South Africa. And to access the Google Keyword Planner, we just need to navigate up to the top menu where you will see a button called Tools and Settings. You want to click on that, and that will then open up a little menu template. We want to navigate over to the left-hand section under Planning and select Keyword Planner. This is then going to take you to a section where you can either discover new keywords, you can get search volume and forecasts, or you can organize your keywords into ad groups. Now, in this example, one of the most important things you want to discover when advertising on Google is to find keywords and search phrases that are appropriate and relevant to your business or organization. So we are going to use Discover New Keywords. We then want to have a look quickly at the overview, and you can start here by entering product or service keywords that might be related to your particular business. So in my uncle's instance, his business is about rafting on the Orange River. So let's just enter the keyword rafting on Orange River and also Orange River rafting. We want to then go down to the location, which is showing up underneath the little search bar here where you enter the keywords related to your business or organization. So right now it is showing as New Zealand. We want to click on that, and then that will open up a location button, which you can then use to change the target area you want to reach for your particular product or service. So in this example, we are going to be targeting South Africa, and we're just going to type it out in full so that the match is simple and easy, and hit target. Excellent. After that is done, we navigate down to the bottom where we see the blue Save button and click on that. This will then change the keyword volume search for South Africa. And after that, we're going to select Get Results. And quite a few things have just come up. You can see there are a whole host of keyword ideas and suggestions that have just come up. And you can order the keywords based on alphabetical order. You can order it based on the number of monthly searches that are done. You can have it ordered based on the 3-month or year-on-year change in search volume. And this is a very important section to look at, is the traffic change based on 3 months and year on year. If you notice that there is a spike in a particular keyword or search phrase, it may be in your best interests to add it to your Google advertising campaign. We can see here, for example, Orange River Rafting Companies has had a 3-month change of 600%, and year on year, the increase has been over 100%. So it's definitely a keyword we would want to have in the account. As we go across, we can see the level of competition that there is for those particular keywords. Now, in simple terms, if it's low, then there are not too many competitors bidding for that keyword, and it may be quite easy to rank at the top of Google for those particular keywords. If you see medium, then there is a bit more of a demand in the market for those keywords, and conversely, those keywords might be more expensive than the others. And if the competition is ranked high, then you're going to have quite a challenging time ranking at number one. Not to say it's impossible, but it's just harder. And the great thing about this is if you want to add more keyword suggestions in, you can just click on the button there and you can always add more in. So let's say the keyword ideas, river rafting, Orange River, we want to add this one in and get some more suggestions that are related to it. And that is then going to bring up more keyword suggestions. If we come back to the initial section of the keyword planner, you can also see that there is a Get Search Volumes and Forecasts section and an Organize Keywords into Ad Groups section. For the purpose of today's tutorial, we're not going to go into the Organize Keywords section. We just want to show you how to use the Get Search Volume and Forecasts section. If we click on it, you will see that there is a section which allows you to get an accurate prediction as to how many people are searching each month for particular keywords and search phrases. Now, the difference between this and the previous section is that you are only going to get the search volume and forecasts for the keywords and phrases that you enter in yourself. So if we enter in river rafting, for example, and we also enter in Orange River Rafting, then hit Get Started, you will see that only the two keywords that we entered in will display. And this is important because if you are wanting to get keyword ideas, the best thing to do is to hit Discover New Keywords, because not only will it allow you to see the search volume for the keywords you enter, you'll also get new ideas and suggestions. So once you've got a bit more confidence, you can use the Get Search Volume and Forecasts. For beginners, I recommend just focusing on using the Discover New Keywords section. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you got a lot of value out of it. Once again, if you liked this video, don't forget to smash that like button down below and consider subscribing if you are new to the channel and want ongoing marketing tutorials and tips. We post new videos every single week. And if you have any questions about the content that was covered in today's video, you can always leave a comment down below and I'll aim to answer your questions as soon as I can. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial video. Bye for now.